Teeth are a part of beauty. Beautiful teeth mean a beautiful smile. But, for some of our bad habits, beautiful teeth are ugly. Today we will see how to remove black spots on teeth. Fast, take half fenugreek seeds powder in a bowl. Add half a tablespoon turmeric powder. Turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial herb, making it useful for home dental care. One study in 2012 showed that curcumin in turmeric can prevent gingivitis or gum disease. It helped remove plaque, bacteria, and inflammation comparably well with traditional mouthwashes when used properly. Add 1 tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontal disease. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. Mix well. Now it's ready. You can use it every day. Once a day, brush your teeth for 2 or 3 minutes. If you continue each day, you would have beauty teeth. You can use it for a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.